Okie dokie. So in this video, I'll share with you on how you can actually combine candlestick patterns to form a pattern on the higher time frame. So what happened is that you can actually take multiple candlestick together, combine them, and they can become another candlestick pattern on the higher time frame, right? And why would you want to do that is that sometimes it can actually provide clarity to what the market is doing. So let me explain. So have a look over here on this this diagram. You can see, let's say for example, this both is a 1 hour time frame candle, right? This is 1 hour, this is 1 hour. So if you take two 1 hour candle, combine them together, what you're going to get is the candlestick pattern that is based on the 2 hour time frame. So how did this plus this becomes this? And it's quite simple actually. So what happened is that if you notice, right, this candle over here, it opens at this level and finally close near the high of this time period, right? This is the high and this is the low. And the second candle, it opens near the highs and finally closes near the lows of the candle, right? And this is the lowest point of the candle, and this is the highest point of the candle. So what happened is that when you combine these two candles, this candle here becomes a bearish pin bar. Okay, this is where the price opened. This is the open. Okay, so this is the open at this level. This is the close. Why is this the close? Because the second candle has closed at this level, right? So this is the close. Now, why is this the high of the pin bar? It's because this is the highest level between the two candles over here. And why is this the lowest point of the bearish pin bar? It's because this is the lowest point between these two candles over here. So when you combine this candle and this one over here, what you get is a bearish pin bar. Okay, so just to illustrate again, this one plus this one gives you this one, this third candle here. And similarly, okay, let's say for example, this one, this time around we can, use like, let's say a 2 hour candle plus another 2 hour candle. What you're going to get is this third candle here is a 4 hour candle. Okay, this candle, bullish hammer, right? Why did price open here? Because on this first candle, this is the opening. Okay, this is the opening of the first candle. This is the closing of the second candle. So in other words, right, this is the closing price as well. This is the closing. This is the opening. This is the low of the candle over the last 4 hours. And this is the high of the candle over the last 4 hours. So when you combine two candlestick pattern, it can, form another one, right, which gives you clarity to what is going on in the markets. And this one is clearly telling you that the buyers are in control. You can notice this strong price rejection over here, and finally, closing near the highs. And it's the same actually. If you look at this one over here, right, you have a strong bearish candle. The next candle is a bullish engulfing where the price closes near the highs, even above the previous candle high. So this one over here, you just take this one, is equivalent to this bullish hammer you see over here. So this is how you go about combining the candlestick patterns. Okay, so just a quick one, right? Take the open of the first candle, right? And over here will be the open. Take the close of the second candle, the close, right? And this one will be the close. And then as for the high and the low, just take the highest level and the lowest level over these two candles over here. So for example, within these two candles, this is the highest point. So this will be the high of this candle. And this one over here, this is the lowest point over the last two candles. And this will be the low. You have the open, high, low, close. Simple? Okay. So just a quick recap, right? You can combine different candlestick pattern to form a higher time frame pattern. The reason why you might want to do this is it helps to provide clarity. And all you're doing is just, combining the different time frames. So if, for example, 2 hour plus 2 hour, it will give you a 4 hour candlestick pattern. If you combine a 1 day plus another 1 day, it will give you a 2-day pattern. Okay, so quite straightforward. And with that, right, I have come to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next.